Welcome, Xander, to the mystery unboxing game! Yay! Okay, so pick an item here. Ano yan, Xander?
Piston.
Yay! Correct! Open your eyes! Correct! Yay!
Piston. I cannot ulit.
Okay, again.
Item.
Okay, open it. No, open. What is that?
Unicorn.
Correct! Yay!
Madali lang.
Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes first. Close your eyes first. I'll tell when it is ready. Okay? Ready, set, go! Close.
I want.
What is that?
Package.
Correct! Yay! Okay, next. Give me the item. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close. Okay.
Like this.
What is that item?
Bawal.
Okay, correct. Open your eyes. Yay! Give me the item.
Hey. Wow, God.
Okay,
Yeah. Finally.
next.
I know. What is the item?
What is that?
Bawal.
No?
Is that?
No?
Is that? Is that?
What is that? What is that?
Shotgun.
No?
Piston.
No?
Or
That gun is used for shooting balls.
shooting balls.
What? What gun?
Is
What kind of gun is that?
what? Alaman naman.
No.
What?
Sure ka na? Hindi mo na alam yung item na yan? Open your eyes. Ang tawag dito sa handle ay ball shooter.
Ball shooting.
Yan, example. Oh. Yay! But you did a great job, Sandy. Okay, next item. Close your eyes.
Ay. Wala akong item. Bridge.
No, that's not an item. It's just a prop. Return the item to the box. Okay, find more. Find more. No opening. No opening. Find more.
Five more?
Okay. No, Xander. That's minus points. Open your eyes. That's minus points.
It's the
It's a telescope.
Telescope.
Okay, open your eyes so you can view it. Open your eyes. Because already I saw you. Open your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes again. Give me back the item. Give me the item. Give me the item. Okay. For your last. This is the very last item you will guess. If you get this, I will give you a surprise. Close your eyes. On your mark, set, go. Close your eyes. No. Return the prop. Again. Return the prop. Return the prop, Xander. Don't do it. What is that? No.
What do it?
You guessed it right, Xander. Okay, so your score is 8 out of 10. Good job, Xander. Until next time, with peace with the unboxing games video. Yay! Xander. Yay! Great job, Xander. Yay!